Okay, my guys and gals of the world, I'm at the Exxon Circle K car wash, and today is Saturday, July 14th, 2023. We got the Ryko Softgloss Maxx that's been refurbished since October. You have got to be kidding me.
Code you entered is invalid.
You gotta be kidding me. It's out of service. Are you kidding me? Oh well, it is what it is. What a fail.
What?
You gotta be kidding me. This one's out of service.
The car wash is out of service?
Yeah.
Well, we're driving through anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna drive through it anyway. This is just gonna be a drive-through.
It's a dry run. Yak, 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 yak.
Oh my God.
That was bad.
Woo, woo, woo.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Okay, just hit the gas, go over the treadle. Wow, that was horrible, guys. We got these Ryko Slimline drivers that are currently inactive. Yep, that was a fail, guys.
Damn it.